Presenting the 2002 Ford Escort. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats, rear spoiler, passenger airbag, driver airbag, front-wheel drive, and AC. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.